Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl. I wanted to do a quick update for y'all. I wanted to let you know why I haven't been around. I have been watching videos the best I can, and I am getting caught up. But I wanted to let y'all know, at the beginning of the month, I got something in my eye, and I had a really bad eye infection. I was flushing my eye. I was putting eye drops in my eye, trying to, get the infection to clear up. Turned out I had gotten a fabric fiber in my eye, and it was like right up here underneath my eyelid. Finally, after about a week, I did get it out, but apparently it had scratched my eye. And so it took a couple of weeks for it to actually clear up. So during that time, I was having a really hard time. My eye was swollen. A lot of times it was shut because I just couldn't, it was just painful, and I couldn't stand light. So I was having a real difficult time of it. And then it finally did clear up. It's doing a lot better now. It's actually healed up now. But we have a little dog, Boston Terrier, Sebastian, and he loves chasing cats. But we take him out, and he has ended up being attacked by some of the dogs in the trailer park here. And when the dogs come at him, he's going to stop them. He's going to fight them, So he's been attacked 4 different times. And a couple of days ago, we had gotten some freezing rain. We'd had freezing rain all night. And that morning it had started to snow on top of the ice that had built up from the freezing rain. Angel took Sebastian outside, and he, being the little cat lover that he is, he's laying here beside me, was chasing a cat. Well, I thought he was getting into a fight with another dog, and I went out to help Angel because I thought he was fighting a dog, and slipped on the ice. Well, in the process of falling, which I fell flat on my back, I tried to stop myself using my right arm and ended up hurting the entire right side. My leg, my hip, my back, my arm. So I've been kind of laid up with that, trying to improve from that. I am still sore, but doing okay. Nothing's broken. Everything's fine. But sorry, Blue's wanting to go outside. It was like, okay, my eyes finally cleared up. I can get back to doing videos, and then I fell. So I have missed a couple of Tipsy Tuesdays, which, and I haven't done any of my prepping videos. The videos that I have done, or that I have put out, was videos I had recorded towards the end of December and earlier. I have been talking to several people about doing some videos. I've had lots of requests for videos. I have a lot of things that I am going to be doing. I am currently working on my prize for my 500 subscriber giveaway, which may be 7 away from 500. So that will be coming up very soon. I am also helping several channels with their giveaways. I'm making something and sending to them to help them with their prize giveaway. So I'm in the process of trying to get those projects all done. So I've got a lot going on, but I will be back. I will be doing some videos soon, and I just wanted to update you. All right, y'all have a nice day. Bye.